see where these termies are at. Where they're at.
He said like half of them are termies. Well, it depends who pulled up. But he said there's supposed to be like 20.
I'm illegal right now. You're illegal?
Actually, wait, when does mine expire?
What? You can come that way. I can't right here.
I'm good. I got 7 more months.
I got buddy, get legal. Fix your ticket.
I have my old plate. I need like a flipper. Ooh, oh my god!
There's 2 of them, there's 3 of them, there's 4 of them. It's fine.
There's more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I see 7.
There's so many.
There's only 1 vert.
Convertibles are also cheaper.
I don't give a damn. Ugly as shit.
Nah, the convertibles look good.
Agree.
These ones look good. Mr. Chrome. Oh my god.
There's $2.99 so far.
Where are the others?
I'm pretty sure.
I wonder if this is
And they
it.
also have the Ford Performance sticker. You're not alone.
Wait. Except this one doesn't have any performance parts. Yeah, that's what I was just gonna say.
That looks exactly like it.
What if it is? They're coming from Tampa, I doubt it.
Andrew definitely doesn't live in Tampa. One's got his wife in the car.
I think like half of them do.
That fucking truck's gonna run right into that GT500 and total
I was
it.
about to go into debt. Is there more?
Generational debt of that.
I guess that's it.
You hear me? This is about to go into generational
No,
debt.
like,
Series, that's just an M series. That's a fake M. Come on.
Why is it so high off the ground?
That's just how they are on top.
bro's probably like, what's up?
We got a good lineup here.
Yeah.
I'm Ryan.
I was the one you were messaging.
Nice to meet you, bro. Sweet. Yeah, we're just gonna top off real quick,
Yeah.
and we'll get going. So just we're trying to keep. It's hard to keep everybody grouped together.
Yeah. Especially like not hitting the lights and everything. Yeah.
Exactly.
Is there more or?
I think this is pretty much everybody. There's a couple people that are gonna jump in along the way, possibly. But
You got like what, 15? I think there's like 7 of us, 7 of y'all.
yeah, a bunch of people canceled last minute that were supposed. Of course.
Not
you know.
surprised.
That's how it goes.
They're
That's
like,
how it is. I don't know. It's like, and actually the guys that came up with the idea fucking canceled. I'm like, what the fuck?
I'm busy, and they're like asleep.
Let me top off.
Alright y'all, so I'm editing the video right now, and what I realized before we did this, but let me show y'all, is that whenever I was doing the POV, I would be too tall, and you'd pretty much see like nothing. I figured that would be a problem, so it definitely is. But then I gave it to my friend, the head mount, who's a bit shorter than me, so you could kind of see better. But yeah, so it's not the best. Probably won't be the most entertaining, but I'm gonna upload 2 parts, just like POV, then at VMP with all like the dynos, the videos, us walking around. I really just got dyno videos. There wasn't a lot of like, there was a lot to walk around and look, but I didn't take any videos. I mainly took dyno videos and like pictures. But yeah, I'm gonna put this in the first part of the video because I just wanted to let y'all know that it probably won't be the best video. And for like reference, I'm like 6'2", and I had a head mount and like the GoPro's kind of like up here.
Brandon, I swear to God. You fucking bastard!
Brandon, what are you doing? I'm telling you, that's how heavy it is. God damn.
Give us some. Catch up there.
white comedian talk about no black woman is law. I know probably gonna work for them and fuck whoever that's close to them. The niggas that cool, the niggas that being cool, slide on both of them. You ever eat country will see that no put water in it, pulled over by the law. You ride dirty so you can argue with them to make it to be a star. I feel soul and put your heart up in it. Well I did, wipe the mirrors out, but it ain't no legends if my legend is.
We're getting fucking smoked out. Let's figure out this one.
Reincarnated, I'm a stargazer. Life goes on, I need to hug my babies. Woke up looking for the broccoli. I can't keep a horn on me, that could be seen. Ownership, the blueprint is by me. Mr. Kid off, I get off.
My uncle finally got good taste in music. Started listening to Kendrick Lamar. Nah, I'm playing my uncle always had good music taste.
I walked in, walked out with the song. Let me what the fuck?
They're literally doing it at the Florida Fairgrounds. Then I want to meet Tyrese Gibson. What do you mean my nasty? Good?
Sometimes my downshifts like have a pop and a crisp to it. Sometimes they're just like flat.
That's the thing though. That's why I said my uncle's getting really good. It's always. He's not even pop tuned. He's tuned, just tuned for 93 all around.
Yo, this truck gotta sound right. It's TSPMO.
V6.
Go buy it.
No!
Come join us.
Not a V6. Hell no.
For sale.
Not even a point in buying a fucking Mustang if you're getting a V6. I'll blow that fucking 3.8 out of the sky.
Causing terror. Damn! Causing terror to the land. Bro, they're gonna run us out this city. Fucking just drives off. Sorry, Deland. Damn, bro, how far they get?
I'm gonna go donate plasma for monies.
I don't know how much I can get out of that.
You know something? They're pulling like 3 bags from us at school, yet they won't let us grab as many snacks as we want. They limit us.
Wait, what?
That's dang.
Yeah, I saw us. I tried to wait for you when we got caught up in that light. There was too much traffic.
I know, we were like, they're already there.